In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an Instagram invalid parameters on login. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of step-by-step fixes for invalid parameters. So first things first, if you're on an Android device, just head to settings, apps, Instagram, storage, and clear cache. If you're on iOS, simply go ahead and uninstall your application and reinstall it back. And it should go ahead and remove the corrupted data and work. If that doesn't work, try logging in through your Instagram.com, a web browser, and then confirm if the issue is app specific. The third thing you can go ahead and try to do is simply go ahead and head into App Store and then search for Instagram and check if there is any update. If there's an update, there's going to be a blue update button where the open button is, and just try restarting your mobile phone and it should go ahead and fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.